My name is Dakota Keene, and I am a landscape architect and partner at Mithun in Seattle. So a landscape architect is a designer of public space. Often when people hear landscape architect, they think plants or garden design, and though that is definitely a part of it, a big part of what we do is shaping public space. And that can be at a lot of different scales, from parks, trails, civic spaces in the city, or larger planning projects. Public open space in particular is where people can feel a sense of belonging. It's where we play, where we learn, where we gather, and where we can really learn about ourselves as a community. One example of design that we're really proud about at Mithun is the National Nordic Museum, and it's in Ballard. Museums are not technically a civic space because often they're a private institution and often a place where you do have to pay to enter. But that particular project has some particular design moves where we really centered community. One of the ways that we did that was to push back the ticketing so that anyone can come in from the neighborhood and be able to access the auditorium, classrooms, obviously the outdoor gathering spaces, and the cafe. So to be able to take classes, so they offer language classes and have an incredible education program, or just be able to meet a friend for coffee. So that was one thing that really was an important aspect to the site planning. Landscape architects in our office are involved from day one for any project that we work on. And so the site planning, the way that the building sits on the site, the parking, the site circulation, the pedestrian circulation, and a lot of emphasis is put on the public realm and the streetscape and how that integrates with the design itself. One of the ways that exhibited in at the Nordic is that there was a missing link to the Burt Gilman Trail, which is a really important shared use trail in our region. Bikers, pedestrians, dog walkers, everyone's using that trail, and it wasn't continuous in Ballard. And so we worked really closely with the Seattle Department of Transportation to integrate that trail along Market Street, but also express the values and the mission of the National Nordic Museum in the streetscape. So being able to integrate with a lot of different city departments, understand the client needs, be able to integrate that into the design is something that is a skill, and it's a difficult thing to do because of the fact that it really requires listening, it requires curiosity, it requires the ability to find common ground amongst people who really may not agree at first. So being able to engage with the community in that way and then express that common ground and those desires in the ultimate design. It takes a lot more time to be able to integrate ideas, but when you have a diversity of opinions, a diversity of people who are coming together to collaborate on projects, it lends itself to a much more rich design in the end. My advice to someone in high school who's interested in landscape architecture or urban planning or any profession that shapes public space is to observe the spaces around you. What are the aspects of public space that make people feel welcome? What are some cues that make people not feel welcome in spaces? And start to begin to understand what resonates with you and what might be interesting in terms of areas of interest. I also really encourage young people to attend events, to talk with people, and to choose volunteer opportunities or events that are already something that you're interested in, because the more that you are engaged and able to learn from leaders within the community with an area that you're already interested in, the more that those relationships will deepen and benefit you later. Landscape architecture in support of public space, where sometimes you'll hear it called a third place where people can gather. It's not at home, it's not at work, but it's outside of that space where they're meeting new people and getting different points of view. To me, that is a civic practice.